So, welcome back to another video. This is TeamOverclocked, and today we're talking about a $650 gaming PC build for February and March 2017. This PC build can run games like GTA 5 and Battlefield 1 at 1440p high to ultra settings at some playable frame rates. At resolutions like 1080p, you should be able to max out all of those games at well above 60 FPS as well. Now that's some great performance for this PC. With the benchmarks out of the way, let's get right into the PC build. For the CPU, we have the Intel Core i5-6400 for $176. This is a fast quad-core CPU clocked at a decent 2.7 GHz with a turbo boost up to 3.2 GHz. This is also based on the Skylake architecture, so it has most of the latest features from Intel, and since it has 4 strong cores, this should be the ideal CPU for gaming. Next up for the motherboard, I went with the ASROCK B150M PROV for $61. This is a nice motherboard with 4 RAM slots, USB 3 headers, 6 SATA ports, and an M.2 slot. Along with that, this has a B150 chipset, which has everything you need for gaming, along with room for upgrading later on. For the RAM, I went with the G.SKILL AEGIS 8GB set for $52. Now this RAM set is a great set for gaming since it is a 1x8GB configuration clocked at 2400 MHz. 8GB should be all you need for gaming at the moment, and it should allow for some light video editing as well. For the hard drive, I went with the SEAGATE BARRACUDA 1TB hard drive for $49. This is a nice bang for the buck drive that spins at 7200 RPM and has 64 MB of cache. This should provide enough storage to store the OS, some documents, along with a pretty decently sized Steam library, making it a great bang for the buck option. For the graphics card, I threw in a SAPPHIRE Nitro Plus RX 480 for $215. This fast GPU is clocked at 1.31 GHz, has 8GB of GDDR5 VRAM, and a TDP of 200 watts. Along with that, this has a nice dual fan cooler, which should keep temperatures low and should allow for some decent overclocking. And this GPU, like you saw in the benchmarks, is great for playing games at 1080p max settings, and it can easily run games at 1440p as well. Now the case in this build is going to be the CORSAIR CARBIDE 88R for $50. This is a nice looking case which has a tinted side panel window, a sleek aluminum finish, a lot of drive bays, along with some decent cable management options on the inside. It also features a USB 2 port, a USB 3 port, along with some audio jacks on the front panel. For the price, you really can't get much better than this, and this should satisfy most people. Lastly, for the power supply, I threw in an EVGA 600B ATX power supply for $49. For a power supply of this quality, this is pretty cheap, especially since it is made by the brand EVGA, who put really reliable components into their power supplies. And this power supply even has an 80+ bronze rating, meaning that 80% of the power from this power supply is going to your PC rather than being turned into heat, which is a problem with lower end cheap unit power supplies. So yeah guys, that's the build. If you want to check this out, there's going to be a PCPartPicker link in the description down below. And yeah guys, that's all for today. If you liked the video, please go overclock the like button. If you didn't like it, please dislike this video and subscribe for more content like this. And I will see you guys in the next one.